Hi, my name's Samantha from Minerva and welcome to today's video. In today's video I have 5 new crepe fabrics to share with you. They're all very different types of crepes as well, so I'm really excited to get these in front of the camera for you today. Our very first one is a strong abstract print. And I really love this because it's incredibly bold. Now, if you haven't stitched with crepe before, crepe fabrics are distinctive in their crisp feel and they have also a crinkle to them. So I'm going to bring this to the camera so you can see this. This one is 100% polyester and you've really got that gorgeous shape that you get with the crepe and a slight bump on the top of the fabric there, which gives it its crepiness and its feel to it. But again, you've got that softness to it, and we think here this gorgeous strong bold pattern would look great as a true buyer's Octane Cami. And who doesn't love a classic in their wardrobe that you can stitch again and again? Now the Octane Cami in this fabric would be just over 1 meter of fabric. So for your 1.1 meters of fabric you will get your Octane Cami out. Now the Octane Cami comes in a size US 0 to size 18 and that is a 32 chest to a 44.5 chest. And we have got one of our gorgeous makers from the Minerva community who has done a little hack on her Octane Cami. So let's check out I've been making and how fab is this make. And we think that this skirt hack on the Octane Cami would look fab in this very strong, vibrant pattern. And you really would make that statement dress there by hacking the Octane Cami, and all details will be over on her blog post on the community. So that is a non-stretch polyester fabric. Our next crepe here is a gorgeous leaf design. And again, we've still got that strong black and white kind of vibe to it, but this is a leaf here. Now, this one here is a 100% viscose. And you can see here because I've pressed it and you've still got a little bit of a crease here in the fabric. And I've done that deliberately because you can see that this crepe still has that crepey feel to it on the front, but you've also got some of those cellulose properties that you get with your cotton, but you've also got that gorgeous luxurious sheen that you get with your viscose. Now this would look great as a pair of floaty trousers. And we've got here the new look 6271 trousers. And how great would these be for walking on the beach or going out for dinner in the summer, and just having those gorgeous statement trousers there that you could put with a very simple top. And this fabric is 130 centimeters wide and that's 51 inches. And the pattern comes with a size 10 to 22, and that is for your floaty trousers you would need between 2.5 meters to 2.6 meters of fabric. And remember here at Minerva, after you've purchased your first ½ meter of fabric, we can provide you with those 10 centimeter increments. So if you need that 2.6 meters of fabric there, we can provide that for you. So not only are you getting great value for money, but also from an environmental perspective, you have got less wastage. And then moving on to a slightly different crepe here, and we are adding a floral into the mix here. And we're still talking about a dark background. Again, this would look great from autumn going into winter, but also this pattern has a gorgeous burnt orange into it. And I'm going to bring that to the camera too, so you can see that gorgeous orange little pop there with the flowers. Now I think this has got a slight oriental feel to it, and I think these may be lilies on here, and I think that the white just really adds to this and it makes it such a versatile fabric that you could really wear this all the year round. I personally would love a dress running up to Christmas in this fabric. I think it would look fab. Now we're coupling this with a great pattern from Atelier Dupe, and this is the Charlotte and Lou dress and top pattern. So what a great pattern. You're not only getting a dress in there, but you're getting a top too. And we love this because it is very simple, very classy. You've got that gorgeous round scoop neckline there, and you've got a great shape there on the sleeves. We love that it's got a great line to it, and it's taken in at the waist with a nice waistband there, which is a fine casing waistband. And we love that because you've got a very dramatic pattern here on your fabric, and coupling it with a very simple stylish dress really does give that pattern on the fabric a way to absolutely shine. This fabric is 150 centimetres wide, which is a 59 inch, and this is a viscose crepe, so that's really where you're getting that softness. And also, I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but I can just really see that gorgeous shine there that you're getting on the fabric. And now we're moving on to two more fabrics for you. Now these are our dead stock fabrics, and dead stocks are a great way to buy not only earth friendly fabrics, but also these are really great on the pocket too. I had to look twice at the price of these fabrics because I couldn't believe what a great value for money they are. And our first one is a soft polyester here, and this soft polyester crepe is really combining that animal print shape that you're getting out on the high street and online at the moment. And also I look at this and I can see a flower in this, and this really would be a staple for your wardrobe. So whether you're going to the office or you're wearing something like this for the weekend, this is just such a staple, but you've got that animal print trend there, which really is just popping through. Now really to show off this absolute gorgeous fabric, by the way, it's 150 centimetres in your width, which is 59 inches. So to really show off your gorgeous crepe, we're coupling it up with McCall's 7974. And I absolutely love the styling on this. I love the way it comes in at the bust, and you've got that shape, so you can really play on that crepe there by giving it that gorgeous shape around the bodice. We also like it has 4 dresses in the pattern, and I love the double puffy sleeve there. I think that in this animal print style would look fabulous. So you've not only got a puff at the top, it comes down to the elbow, and then it puffs again, and I really think that is such a fun pattern to have. We love that one of our makers has had this McCall's pattern, and let's have a look at what Ant makes. And what she's done is she's taken the McCall's 7974, and what she's done is she's taken it and she's made it into a top only. And what a great idea there from Ant. And I think this would look fab if you would make it into just a top too. So what a great fabric, and I can see myself making this into dresses going into the winter and using those also in the spring too. And if you're still loving those black and white feels, I've got another one, and this is my final one here today in this video. And this one here, we are looking at a smaller animal print, and this one is super cute. It's black and white, and it has a heart on it. I'm just going to bring it to the camera. There's a red heart there and a pink heart. I think this would look great as a children's dress too, and really just having a lot of fun and playfulness with this pattern. I could see making it for my girls, I could see it making for myself as well. The feel of this is just really gorgeous and luxurious. This is a soft polyester crepe. So these are both soft polyesters in the dead stock, and I just would not know that this would be a dead stock fabric. This is also 150 centimetres on your width, which is 59 inches, and we're coupling this up with a very simple top. And I've done this because this simple top here from New Look, which is New Look 6483 would really just shout out that colour and shout out those little hearts, and it was something you could wear with your jeans at the weekend, or you could couple it up with a pair of dark trousers for the office, or you could add a couple of layers onto that for those cooler days too. And we love this top pattern because it's just such a staple. I love the shape of the bust darts there, I love that it doesn't have any fastenings on it, and also you can just pop it on and it would just look great. It comes in a size 6 to 16, and for version A, you would need just over a metre of fabric, and what a great addition to your wardrobe. And that's all of the crepe fabrics that I've got here to share with you. My goodness, that went really quick actually, because I just really enjoyed looking at all these different ones and sharing all of those with you today. If you haven't, why not join the Minerva Craft Club? You get 10% off all of your orders. So yes, even on those dead stock incredible prices, you are still getting that 10% off all of your purchases. I'll pop some information in the detail box below. And while you're there, why not join the Minerva community? It's free to join, and you can start posting your makes straight away and getting that inspiration too. We're very friendly over there, and we would love to see you if you haven't joined already. And that's everything I've got to share in today's video. Which was your favourite fabric that I shared, and which would you love to start stitching with? Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you again soon.